if you're arrested for OUI in Massachusetts and you have an out-of-state license. Come on in, I'm Michael DelSignore, a Massachusetts OUI lawyer. In today's video we're going to discuss what happens when you face an OUI charge but you're not from the state. What happens is you face two potential license implications, one from your home state and the other from Massachusetts. So initially you either took a breath test and you were over .08 or you refused the test. So you face some sort of suspension in Massachusetts. If you refuse the test, it's a 6-month suspension, and if you took the test and failed, it's a 30-day suspension. In many cases, your home state may not suspend you for these administrative suspensions, but you will be suspended, and your privilege to drive in Massachusetts will be suspended for one or two of those time periods. It's important that once those suspension periods ends, you must get reinstated in Massachusetts. Pay the reinstatement fee in order to avoid any further complications with your license. Keep on the lookout for any letter from your home state advising you of any license suspensions. So make sure the registry in your home state has your proper address and identification. However, in many cases you may not face a suspension on these administrative or initial suspensions. If you admit to the OUI offense, you are likely to receive some sort of suspension from your home state. Some states will treat a continuance without a finding different from a guilty. So it could be you could avoid a license suspension depending on how your case is resolved here. However, you should understand what the first offense or whatever offense you face in Massachusetts, what those penalties are in your home state. Because in many cases, the registry in your home state will impose the penalties as if your offense happened in your home state. In other words, in Massachusetts, you only face a 45-day license loss for an OUI offense if it's your first offense. However, your home state could have a 3-month suspension, a 6-month suspension. So when your home state receives notice from Massachusetts, you would then face a suspension in that state. So when you have an out-of-state license, it's important that you understand the license implications impact you both here and in your home state. If you have questions about an OUI offense, the defenses to your case, feel free to contact me. My name is Michael DelSignore. Answer these questions every day. I'd be happy to talk to you.